Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about nullish operator, and it is denoted by double question mark. It provides a default value when dealing with null or undefined. So firstly we will discuss without nullish, and then we will take an example with nullish. Okay. So let's take an example without nullish operator. Okay. So let's const. So let's say in this example we will set a default value for default value of age if it is not provided. Okay, so let's say const user age. Let's say age. Okay, so const user age. We have provided it null. Okay. Now we will check the age if it is present or not. If user age not equals to null and user age not equal to undefined. Okay. In that case, provide us user age. Otherwise, set it to default age, which is 18. Okay, then print age. Okay, so can you guess the output in this case? So in this case, we are manually checking if user age is not null or undefined. So here it requires two comparison operators and can become repetitive also. So this is the drawback. So to avoid this, to overcome this, we use nullish operator. In this case, user age is null. We have defined it null. So it will check here. So this is false. So it goes to 18. Default value is 18. So it will print 18 here. Let's check it in terminal. Okay, so output is 18. But the disadvantage is it requires two comparisons and can become more repetitive. It requires comparisons and can become more complex and repetitive. Okay, so to overcome this, we use nullish operator. Okay, so let's see an example with nullish. Okay, so const user age is null. Let's comment this above code. Const age is equals to user age nullish then 18. So only this code is required. Then we will print age. Okay, so the nullish operator checks only for null and undefined, and we have initialized user age to null. Okay, and nullish operator, this question mark, only checks for null or undefined, making the code readable, and it assigns 18 only if user age is null or undefined. Okay, so in this case user age is null. Okay, so it provides a default value as 18. So in the terminal, if we check, the output will be 18. Okay, so the code is simplified now, simplified code. Okay, that's why we use nullish operator. And guys, I will be sharing a link to my GitHub repository in the video description, so you can free to check it out and you can take the code from there.